Guys, User7 here, and today I am back with another review about the Xenon SD ROM for the OnePlus 2. Let's get started. Basically, about the ROM, it's a lineage based custom ROM, and we have the Xenon SD OTA service available, which is fantastic. You won't have to go around searching manually, you will have everything right here. And it's 711 based, and a saving charge is permissive. I haven't installed the latest update yet, it was released yesterday on 11th of March. So that's about the ROM. Now into the network stability and the system stability overall. First of all, about the network, everything is working fine. Wi-Fi, LTE, VoLTE, and hotspot, everything is quite fine. No issues yet. And about the UI and the pre-installed apps, UI is quite smooth. You have a Nova launcher, so with that app shortcuts will be available right here. Nova launcher is the pre-installed launcher. Then we have the add away, audio effects, and also camera, where you have 4K video recording support, and in picture you have all those settings. In video recording you do have 4K UHD and DCI without stabilization, and below that you have stabilization, OIS stabilization, optical image stabilization. Now that's about the camera app. Then we have two file managers, the files and the MI Explorer right here. MI Explorer with you can manage even the root folder using this, so it's quite fine. And then we have the kernel editor, and the Cyanogen mode 11 has the stock music player. And then we have the recorder for screen and sound recording. Then we have Substratum pre-installed, still it's not fully functional. Some overlays they fail. Maybe in the next updates everything will be alright. And then about the proximity sensor is about the alert slider or the notification slider, it's working fine. I'm just toggling it, you can see it. Priority only, then we have the alarms only, and finally back to normal. It's working fine. So that's all about the system stability and also the network stability. Now let's go into the battery backup. So battery is something where this ROM is the boss. Why do I say so? You can see it right here. First of all, you have all those lineage based battery saver options right here. You can change the performance profile here to efficiency, balanced, quick, all those things. And also you have the extreme power saver. And other than that, here you won't find much information because I switched to another ROM, but I sure have saved a few screenshots. I'll show you those. The files, images, and screenshots. To a full charge to a 5% in a balanced profile. I use it for a day and 3 hours, and I'll show you the screen on time. It's a 4 hours of 29 minutes fully on LTE. If you are using any other network type, WCDMA or even Wi-Fi, you will have much more than this battery backup. So there's nothing to worry right there. Then here, the phone idle time is of 1 day, 3 hours and 58 minutes. That's nearly 1 day and 4 hours. So, and I used YouTube for 1 hour and 10 minutes during this time. So this is an area where I love this ROM because the app optimizations are fantastic. You will never have all those background running apps or anything like that, even in the balanced state of a battery. And also the battery saver is fantastic. So this ROM will surely last you for a day or even more in normal usage, and you will surely have about 5 to 5.5 hours of SOT if you are connected to Wi-Fi. Now again into the battery settings. This is how I use the phone today. Now I have it recording in a video recorder. It has been functioning for about 37 minutes. I'm currently recording my screen, and the Android OS is completely optimized, and also the Google Play services. Everything is fully optimized here, so we don't have any issues. And screen of 2 hours, nearly 3 hours of screen on time again. So basically, no issues regarding battery whatsoever here. So this ROM is surely the boss when it comes to the battery status. So now thirdly, let's go into the customizations offered by the ROM. This is somewhere the ROM disappoints us. Maybe because it's based on lineage, we don't have much customizations. You have a few here like fingerprint authentication change, then alarm text, emergency button, then the 3-finger screenshot, then also the memory bar that you see here, and the quick setting tiles, rearrangement, all those things. That's all. Then about the buttons, where you can have on-screen navigation bar, something similar to Pixel. Then we have all those Oxygen OS, like to change the actions of the hardware buttons, and also the status bar indicators, the top traffic indicator, super zoo indicator, and all those things. Other than that, we don't have LED customizations, and maybe the clock style fonts, default fonts, etc. No such support here. What you have here is a bare minimum configurations, maybe for a normal user. So if you're coming from the Oxygen OS or any other custom ROM, you won't find this much appealing to you. But maybe if you're coming from a lineage, this is surely an upgrade with a better battery life. So if you are going to settle for a ROM with OTAs and also a fully stable ROM with the best battery life, then surely I would recommend this ROM, the Xenon HD. But if you are looking for customizations and all those, maybe this is not what you're looking for. So that was my review about this ROM. And now regarding bugs, I have not found much bugs here other than the stock gallery app. It fails quite often, and also it's quite slow. After a reboot, you will have to wait for some 5 to 10 minutes for that app to work. Now that's all. Other than that, no issues there. Everything is fine, and I hope you like the review. And now actually this is my third review, and I have already made 2 reviews about the AOS IP and our open source solution project, and also the Cosmic OS for the OnePlus 2. And I'll just link them in the descriptions below. You can watch them. And if you need me to make reviews of any other ROM, please write in the comments below. So thanks for watching.